Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to do a transfer case oil replacement for a BMW X3. What I'm gonna need is a container, oil, and small pump, something like that. It's very handy. And here we're gonna have two nuts on 17 millimeters, one the lower and the upper. Every time when you still do a job like that, first you're gonna try to lose the top one and after the lowest one. So guys, usually you have here a cover. I already took that off to be more easy. I'm gonna start with the top one. Make sure you have something to take it. You have a bucket or wherever, and just lose it off. And you have this kind of tool. It's pretty good, but now you can use a regular wrench too. Maximum 1/4 is here, is not like crazy, so you can see the oil is in good shape. It's almost done. It's a little windy here. Okay, this job needs to be every 20 to 25,000 miles. I recommend. It's very important. The transfer case have a big job, and if you don't want to replace your transfer case, just do this job. It's pretty easy. And if you're an active fan, you will know FCP Euro have the best lifetime warranty products, what you can find the best deals. So once you buy one time for them, next time you're gonna buy again, and after that every time is for free. You just return the stuff and they're gonna give you for free. I'm doing already a lot of times. I'm a fan, and that's why I'm enjoying doing the job by myself. And usually it's get 1/4, but it's better to have 2/4 just in case. So guys, once I'm prepared my arm, my gun I can say, you just put it in this hole like that and press it. I'm pretty sure this one is gonna go all the way. Okay, good. Let's do one more. Let's do it. I guess I need a little more. Perfect. When it's like that, we know it's full. Just need to put this one back. Come on. Let's clean this mess. So this is how much I took it out, like 1/4. renewal. And see you guys next time in 20,000 miles. Hope you enjoy your day. I hope this was helpful for you, and see you next time.